Yes, I am Krishna Mohan. So today we are going to learn how to configure my GitHub account to PyCharm. Okay, this is very important. Okay, to store to use GitHub. Okay, so before going on to this step, you have to first you should be registered in the GitHub. Okay, so what you have to do is already I have registered myself, but you have to register your account. Okay, there is a free account and there is a paid version also, but uh, you go for the free version. Okay, so GitHub. Okay, right. GitHub sites world's leading software development platform. Right. So okay, you can sign up by using the simple things. Okay, uh, but I have created my account. So what I will be doing is I will be logging into my account. Okay, so this is my account, so I will minimize this. I am not getting my photo over here. Is there any problem? uh, okay, I will see it later. Okay, what is the issue behind this? Why I am not getting my image over here? Okay, now I got my image over here, right? So what I will be doing is I will be going on to the PyCharm. Okay, I am minimizing this. I am opening the PyCharm. Okay, here, uh, see, there is a way where we can get the account. Means we can link the GitHub account. Okay, suppose that you have not linked here, then you have created your project. Okay, suppose sample underscore project underscore 1.0. Okay, so I am creating a project, uh, right? So here project is being created, right? Okay, now what happens? Okay, this is the project. Okay, what I will be doing is I will be creating a module or the package inside this project. So right click on this project, new Python package. Okay, suppose module. Okay, in this module, what I will be doing is I will be creating a Python file. So new Python file, uh, sample file, file file. Okay, I am giving some name over here. Right. In that, I will be writing a, single statement. Okay, print statement. Sorry. Okay. Right. This is a single statement. Then I will be running it. Run. Okay. Right. Okay, now after creating my project, after creating a package, after creating a okay, I mean Python file, if I am having a GitHub account and I wanted to store my file in that version controlling system, okay, or in the GitHub, so how I can do it? Okay, uh, see here, I have created a project, I have created a module or a package in that I have created a Python file. Now I wanted to upload this file in the GitHub. So go to the file, go to the settings, see the plugins over here. Mm, okay, there are different plugins which are available. Okay, so to get these plugins, first internet connection should be there. Okay, obviously, if you wanted to upload the files in the GitHub, net connection should be there. You can't do offline. So GitHub. Okay, GitHub is already been installed. Okay, I am doing the PyCharm. Okay, GitHub is already been installed. Okay, so suppose if GitHub is not installed, what you will be doing? You will be getting like this install button. You have to click on that install button so that GitHub will be installed. Okay, there is no issue in that. Okay, I hope you can do that. Okay, uh, right. So already GitHub is been installed. So I have an account in the GitHub. So I have to link that account to this PyCharm so that I can push my files in that GitHub account. So what I have to do is, okay, already been installed. If it is not installed, you have to install from here. You can install it. Okay. If you search for the GitHub, if it is not installed, you will get a button saying to install. Okay, like this. You have to click on it, and GitHub will be installed. Then, okay, after installation, go to this version control. In this version control, we are having different options over here. So I will be checking for the Git. Okay, it is already been installed, so not an issue over here. Uh, there is a path here, the path of the Git over here. So you have to go to the GitHub, not Git. Oh, here it is saying that there is no account being added to this GitHub. So there is a link over here, add account. So click on this add account. Here you have to mention the login ID and password of the GitHub, okay, which you have already created. Okay, so I am giving my login ID and password. After the creation of the GitHub account, you have to give your own login ID and password. Okay, right. Login. See here, my login ID and my login is been displayed over here. The same image. Okay, like that. Okay, so select this one and click on. So okay, but while going on to the plugins, already I have seen that GitHub is been installed. Okay, it has been installed, right? You can see it from here. But I will check for the Git also. Okay, it has been also been installed. But going on to the version control, in that anyhow in GitHub I have added my account over here. But while going on to the Git, I have to check for the path over here where I have to store my files over there over this PC. So here I don't see any path over here. Okay, so I will test it Okay, if I'll test it, what it is getting, Git is not installed, download and install. Okay, so that the path can be okay, uh, fetched from there. So I am clicking on download and install. This is very important because it will be storing in the local repository, and from the local repository it will be going to the uh, what you call the GitHub. Okay, so it is taking some time while downloading. Okay, but this can be also be done at the starting when you are creating a project. There is an option over there. Okay, third option. Okay, from there also you can this download this GitHub. Say this Git. Okay, so it is giving this message. Okay, I wanted to allow it. Okay, it is installing. It has been downloaded. Now it is installing. See here, after installing, here it has given the path where it had, that exe has been installed. Okay, right. So Git has been installed, and I have configured my account, GitHub account to this PyCharm. Okay, now what I will be doing is I will be closing this. Okay, now this is my project. In this project, I have created a module. In that module, I am having the Python file. So already I have run this file. Okay, it is working fine. Now I wanted to load this file in my GitHub. So after downloading and installing the Git, after means what you call connecting or linking my GitHub account to the PyCharm. Then later, what I will be doing, I will be going to the VCS. Okay, in that I wanted. Okay, there are different options over here. In the later classes, I will be telling what are these options. Okay, now how to what you call share this project to the GitHub. So I am going to the import into version control. So here I am going to share project on GitHub. So I am clicking on this, right? So okay, this is the project name. If I wanted to this will be the repository name also in my GitHub. So if I wanted to change that repository name, I can change it, right? But there will not be any spacing will be allowed. Okay, if you do give any spacing, means it will be showing the error. That is what is the naming convention of the repository. Okay, so here I am giving some description first. Project. Okay, share, creating the empty GitHub repository, creating empty repository. Okay, it will create the repository in my PC, and it will be storing first the files over there. See here. Okay, right. If any comment, if I wanted to give any comment, okay, I can give over here. Okay, add. So see here, this color has been changed over here. So adding file to Git, right? This file will first empty space is been created. Now it is adding my files to the Git, the local repository, right? It is going to take some time for the first time. Okay, be patient. Okay. Okay, performing commit. Okay, performing commit bit it is storing to the GitHub. Okay, okay, pushing the to the GitHub master, pushing the files to the GitHub master, right? Okay, successfully saved the project to GitHub. Thank you. So we will be checking. We will go to the GitHub account, and I will be checking whether it is been pushed or not. So I'm opening the GitHub. Okay, and what I will be doing is I will be checking the repository. So okay, your repositories. So here, see here, one repository is been added. That is what is sample project 1.0. Okay, I am clicking here. I will be checking whether my file is there or not. So in this, see here, there is my module whole file is been added over here. So module, in this module I am having this sample file. Okay, I am clicking here. So here, see, this is my code. You can see my code. So in this way we have to after what you call creating the file, after creating the project, we can push my file to the GitHub. Okay, this is very important to learn the GitHub because this is the free repository which we are having, and most of the companies are using this GitHub. Okay, so it is better to learn these simple things. Okay, the basic things first, then we can go to the the complex things. Okay, so hope you understood how to push the files of the Python files of PyCharm to the GitHub. Thank you.